Polite power play, mastering conditionals with modals for polite requests. Hello language explorers, welcome back to another insightful episode of English language learning. Today, we're going to master a key communication skill, making polite requests. To do this effectively, we'll dive into the realm of conditionals with modals. Are you ready to unlock the art of politeness in English? Let's get started. Conditionals are sentences with two clauses, an if clause and a main clause. When we use conditionals, we're often speaking about possibilities or hypotheses. Modals, on the other hand, are types of auxiliary, or helping, verbs that express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. Examples include could, would, might, and should. When we combine conditionals with modals, we're able to create sentences that express these various situations in hypothetical or future scenarios. And importantly for today's discussion, they can help us make polite requests. When it comes to making polite requests, we often use could and would. This softens the tone of the request and makes it seem less direct and more polite. For example, instead of saying, "Can you pass me the salt?" a more polite version could be, "Could you pass me the salt, please?" Rather than, "Will you help me with my homework?" a softer version would be, "Would you help me with my homework, please?" Here, could and would, in these examples, create a sense of politeness and respect. For more complex polite requests, we can use the second conditional, the if clause in the past simple, and the main clause with would plus verb. For instance, if you weren't busy, would you mind helping me with this report? In this sentence, the speaker is asking for help but also acknowledging that the listener might be busy, which makes the request even more polite. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to use these structures in your daily life and soon making polite requests in English will become second nature. Here's a challenge. Can you convert this direct request into a polite one using conditionals and modals? Give me your notes. Thank you for tuning in today, language explorers. We hope you found this video helpful in your journey to mastering polite requests using conditionals with modals. Always remember, the power of politeness can open many doors in communication. Keep practicing and we'll see you in the next episode. Happy learning!